Are you looking for the best gas welding kits in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best gas welding kits that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the US Forge Welding and Cutting Oxygen Acetylene Pro Flame Pack Kit. The US Forge Pro Flame Pack Kit is a versatile gas welding kit suitable for various applications, with the ability to cut up to 6 mild steel and weld up to 3/8 mild steel. This kit offers great flexibility in handling different projects. The cutting attachments included in the kit have a double seal for tight connections, ensuring safe and efficient operation. The torch head and body, made of forged brass, provide durability and reliability. Whether you are working in industrial, farm, construction, metal crafts, or automotive applications, this kit has got you covered. With its impressive cutting and welding capabilities, the US Forge Pro Flame Pack Kit is a reliable choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Up next in the 4th place is the SUA 25 Series Gas Welding and Cutting Kit. The SUA Gas Welding Kit is a versatile and reliable oxy-fuel welding and cutting outfit. With its medium, heavy-duty capabilities, it is compatible with Harris 25HX series oxygen and acetylene regulators. The torch handle and cutting attachment are also compatible with Harris, and the kit can be used with oxygen propane using 6290NX series propane tips. The included cutting tip allows for cutting up to 1-1 divided by 2, while larger tips can cut up to 6. The provided welding tips allow for welding up to 1/8, and larger tips can handle up to 1/4. The kit comes with a 15 feet carrying bag, twin welding hose, tip cleaner, goggles, spanner, and lighter, providing everything you need for your welding and cutting needs. The 3rd product on our list is the Oxygen Acetylene Torch Kit. The Oxygen Acetylene Torch Kit is made of durable stainless steel and brass with fine workmanship, making it easy to grasp and improving the customer experience. It includes 4 nozzles, an easy-to-use regulator for adjusting gas flow, and a carrying case for easy transport and storage. The torch set is perfect for a variety of applications, including construction, metal engraving, and automotive work. Second on our list is the Simmons Store Propane Gas Forge Single Burner. The Simmons Gas Forge is a perfect tool for professionals, artists, hobbyists, and farriers in the field of knife making and blacksmithing. Its unique round-shaped design provides a larger working space, allowing for efficient heating of metals. The forge body is made from 16-gauge thick heavy-duty stainless steel, ensuring durability and long-lasting use. The stainless steel nozzle adds rust resistance and enhances efficiency. This portable and compact forge is easy to move around and does not take up much space. With its versatility, it can be used for forging knives, blades, horseshoes, heat-treating metal, and bending and reshaping metal. The Simmons Gas Forge is a premium gift that will make anyone feel special and create lasting memories. Finally, the top product on our list is the Victor Journeyman Edge 2.0 Gas Welding Kit. The Victor Journeyman Edge 2.0 Gas Welding Kit is a versatile gas welding kit that can cut up to 8 inches and weld up to 3 inches with accessory. It has a powerful heating capacity of up to 1,118,000 BTUs/hour and is equipped with S42 series regulators. The WH315FC Plus torch handle includes built-in flash arresters and check valves to ensure safety during use. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.